In this video, you'll learn how to rename your Trust Wallet. By following these steps, you will be able to change the name of your wallet to something that suits your preferences. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to Google. This is where you will search for the Trust Wallet extension. Once the Google search page loads, type in Trust Wallet extension into the search bar and press enter. The results will display various links related to Trust Wallet. Next, find the link to the Trust Wallet extension and click on it. This action will direct you to the Trust Wallet interface. Once you are on the Trust Wallet page, look for the settings option, which is typically located in the lower section of the sidebar. After accessing the settings menu, locate and click on the option labeled Manage Wallet. This section allows you to view and modify details related to your wallet. Once you click this, you will see a list of wallets associated with your account. Once you've the list of wallets displayed, look for the option that says Mnemonic. Click on it to proceed. This will lead you to the security settings of your wallet. Here, you should see the option for seed phrase. Click on it to access your wallet's seed phrase information. After you have accessed the seed phrase, you will find the option to click on wallet name. This allows you to view and edit the name of your wallet. Click on wallet name to proceed with the renaming process. Now that you are in the wallet name settings, click on the edit button. This will prompt a text field to appear, allowing you to enter a new name for your wallet. Type in the new name that you wish to assign to your wallet. After entering the new name, it's important to confirm your changes. Click on the confirm button to save the new wallet name. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your changes have been successfully saved. This step is crucial to ensure that your new wallet name is applied correctly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.